Hey guys, welcome to this Google Maps guide, and here I will detail how to scan Google Maps QR code. So if someone sent a Google Maps QR code to you on your phone, it could be on Android and it could be on iPhone, and now you need to scan the Google Maps QR code to connect to the source on the Google Maps, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to scan Google Map QR code, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Google Maps QR code like this. Then once you open the Google Map QR code, then you see this icon, the test icon at the bottom right of the Google Maps QR code. Click on it once, and this is going to ask you to copy the text on the page. All you just need to do is press and hold the QR code like this. Then you're going to see open link or copy link. Then go ahead and click on open link. Once you selected open link, then suppose that says open with Google Maps. If you're using iPhone, on Android you're going to see open with just once, so always just select just once. Select Apple Invite just once. Then hang on while this is going to open on the Google Maps app on your phone. So whether you're using Android or iPhone, the Google Maps QR code URL will open straight on the Google Maps application on your iPhone. That's why you have this, and the location on the maps is where you see a pin dropped. So that is basically how to scan Google Maps QR code on Android or iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.